Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So uHugo Bros uselekthile uhlu lwabadlali azokhetha kulona abadlali azohamba nabo ayele ku-World Cup. So namhlanje bafethu ukhiphe i-prelim squad le azoselecta kuyona. Abantu abaningi bashokhekile, abantu abaningi bathukile, abazi usike bathini, kodwa ke isona lesi isquad uHugo Bros azokhetha kusona. Uhlu nje lwabadlali azokhetha kulona. So sizoqala nje nge-goalkeeping position. Goalkeeping position ibona ke abadlali laba ubani na uHugo Bros azokhetha kubona. Ronon Williams, Ricardo Goss, Sipho Chain and Brendan Peterson. Kumele ahambe no goalkeeper abathathu la. Kumele akhethe 3 goalkeepers. Ingabe uzokhetha ba? Ungangitshela kuma comments. Mina ngokwami I see uRonon Williams number 1 choice. Brendan Peterson, I see him. It's between Sipho Chain and Ricardo Goss, because you know the history between Sipho Chain and coach. So singesazi ukuthi ke uba uzohamba between uSipho Chain no Ricardo Goss, but ke I can tell you ukuthi ke uPeterson is going to i-World Cup. Masukuthi kuma defenders bafethu alandiwe Kholiso Mudau, ngenzeka umjida. I don't think ukuthi ke kungenzeka uzothatha uKhuliso Mudau. Olothi Makhanya sambona futhi naye bafethu ukulona lolu hluku. Bradley Cross we-Kaizer Chiefs sambona naye. Thabiso Munyane omunye umdlali bafethu ophakamisele kakhulu. Thabang Matuludi is another player ongenzeka hambe. Kosinathi Sibisi Orlando Pirates obviously. Aubrey Madiba obvious no Aubrey Madiba. Khulumani Ndamane he's a bit shaky currently, asazi noma uHugo Bros uzomthatha noma ngeza mthathe. Kubo Ime Okon, mase kubo Samkelo Kabini, mase ke umbekezela imbukwazi. I feel like le 3 le izohamba ihambe nayo Hugo Bros. Njwabi ba u3 nje, yabo. So iwona ke ama defenders lawa. Singesazi ungangitshela wena ke uthi maphi ama defenders ozohamba, imaphi ama defenders angeke aze ahambe. Mase siza kuma midfielders. Kuma midfielders siyabona bafethu. Tebogo Mokoena wanina weMamelodi Sundowns. Mase kubo Jaden Adams wanina wayo futhi iMamelodi Sundowns. Kuyangijabulisa ukubona kulandwa umdlali wanina weDurban City bafethu uBrocknell Porknell. Angikwazi ukupronounce bafethu isibongo sakhe. Umjida uyadlala bafethu. Yabo lo mjida lo uyaginqa ngempela udlala kweDurban City. But ke it's highly unlikely ukuthi ke umjida uzokhethwa. Angazi noma ke uzokhethwa noma ngiyazi akhethwe yini. But it's highly unlikely ukumbona ekhethwa over abadlali abanjengo Tebogo Mokoena, Jaden Adams, Talent Mbatha, Siphelo Sithole. Siyambona naye bafethu ke uLebohang Maboye, another player odlale kahle kakhulu kule season bafethu uLebohang Maboye. Yabona kodwa le ama midfielders I feel like inzima kakhulu, yabo. I feel like inzima kakhulu le ama midfielders because ucoach kumele akhethe kuloluhlu lwabadlali abantswempu kanje, yabo. Mina nje ngokwami ngeke ngimshiye ngaphandle uTebogo Mokoena benoTalent Mbatha. I feel like uTebogo Mokoena benoTalent Mbatha already sebehambile, yabo. Jaden Adams is another player oku showcase. Siphelo Sithole is another player oku showcase. Maybe ke uHugo Bros yena unelinye ihlo mhlambe ke usengamthatha banina uLebohang Maboye amshiye uTalent Mbatha, mhlambe usengamthatha uLebohang Maboye amshiye banina uJaden Adams noma kusale yena uSiphelo Sithole. Singesazi mina ngokwami I don't think uSiphelo Sithole umjida lisakhona ibhola lakhe kuBafana Bafana. Yes uHugo Bros uyawathanda ama players wakhe kakhulu, but ke yena umjida uSiphelo Sithole ayingeke. Mina kube ngokwami bengeke ngimthatha uSiphelo Sithole, bengizohamba nje noMbatha noJaden Adams noLebohang Maboye noTebogo Mokoena. Abajida badlale kakhulu kule season, kodwa ke bengangijabulisa ukumbona naye bafethu Obasla, yabo, because I feel like sishoda ngayo umdlalo njengoTebogo Mokoena, yabo. uTebogo Mokoena mele mala ubani esoqosha ngaye, yabo. I feel like uSiphelo Sithole futhi uyadingakala because he's that number 6 now. uSiphelo Sithole he plays like a number 6. We cannot yabona ngeke sithembele kakhulu kuTalent Mbatha because Talent Mbatha is a number 8. He's not a number 6, yabo. So we need a number 6 in that Bafana squad. I feel like in midfield yona la isoleka khona kakhulu, yabo. So I think bengangcono ukuthi ke sibe naye number 6 ozokwazi ukuthi ke asebenzisane naye uTebogo Mokoena njengo Obas, but ke it's highly unlikely ukuthi simthole njengamanje wasekhishwe nje iprelim Obas umjida bafethu are. Mase siza kuma forwards ke bafethu Oswina Police and Tsepang Moremi. Obvious, this is a must. Obvious, we know these guys are going to a World Cup. Kuthi Evidence Makgopa, Lyle Foster, Ikram Reyners, Relebohile Mfokeng, Themba Zwane, Patrick Tito Maswanganye, Kamohelo Sibelebele, Thapelo Morena and Thapelo Maseko. Yabona ke bafethu kuma forwards apart from Oswina Police and Thapelo Maseko, Thapelo Marena, yabo. Apart from labo chita wabo 2, I feel like la kuma forwards la kukhona khona itrack ila khona kuzoba khona nzima kakhulu yabo. It's a pity uHlongwane akalandwanga. uHlongwane bafethu simbonile ngosikhathi sidlala ama friendly but ke akalandwanga this time. I know for sure ukuthi ke uLyle Foster uzohamba. I know for sure ukuthi ke ubani na uRelebohile uzohamba. I know for sure uThemba Mshishizwane uzohamba same as ubani na Evidence Makgopa. Ngeke ngazi ke kwabanye yabo, ngeke ngazi kuMorena uMjida. I remember uMjida usathintekile yabo, ngeke ngazi ngoMaseko, ngeke ngazi kwabanye but ke bengajabula ukubona uEvidence Makgopa beno Ikram Reyners behambile beyodlala for iBafana Bafana yabo. So iwona ke abadlali laba uHugo Bros azokhetha kubona. Hugo Bros uzokhetha kulama players la. But I was very disappointed ukubona abadlali abanjengoba nabadlali abanjengo CM, abadlali abanjengo Cupido bengekho kuloluhlu lelabadlali okumele kukhethwe kulona yabo. I was very disappointed but ke we are not the coach. Asiyena Hugo Bros uyena okhethayo abadlali. I was very disappointed but the midfield we look a bit shaky.